Okay, so this problem is from section 13.2, and it's about finding the p-value of two data sets. So a developer collects a random sample of the ages of houses from two neighborhoods and finds the summary statistics for each or as shown. Test the hypothesis that the mean age of houses in the two neighborhoods is the same. Assume the ages of the houses in each neighborhood follow a normal distribution. Okay, so calculate the p-value of the statistic given the approximation formula for degrees of freedom gives df equals 71.70. Okay, so this is an independent t-test because the neighborhoods don't depend on each other for anything, they're different. Okay, so to get the p-value, click this, go open in StatCrunch, go to Stat, choose sample with summary. Okay. So sample mean from neighborhood 1 is 52.6. Sample standard deviation is 7.12. The sample size is 40. Sample mean for neighborhood 2 is 43.1. Sample standard deviation is 7.11. And the sample size is 35. And once again, I got all of these numbers from the information that was given in the problem right here. Okay, so it's a pooled test, so that's checked. And then click p-value plot just to see the graph. Okay, click compute. Okay, so saying our p-value is like less than 0.0001, so it's very small. So you can just put 0 in for the p-value. And you can also see if you click on, if you click this arrow, you can see the plot and you can tell how small the p-value really is. Okay. Calculate the p-value of the statistic using the rule that degrees of freedom equals minimum. Okay, so this just means take the sample size and subtract by 1 for both of them. So to do that in StatCrunch, you can click options of what we just calculated, edit, and for the sample or neighborhood 1, change the sample size to 39 because 40 minus 1. And for neighborhood 2, change it to 34 because 35 minus 1. Click compute. Okay, so once again, you can use 0 for the p-value and because less than 0.001, and you can see how small it is on the chart. What do you conclude? Alpha equals 0.05. So the p-value is smaller than alpha, so reject the null. There is sufficient evidence to reject the claim. The mean age of the houses is the same in the two neighborhoods.